I guess we'll start with this guy here. This one has a pull tab. Let's pull it by the tab. Oh, wait a minute. Let's do it the right way up. Ooh. After sales service. Gotta like that. They're thinking about the after the sales service. And this is a very soft rubber watch band. Function button, long press, turn on. Please charge to activate the watch before you use it. This one seems to be all plastic construction. This is an inexpensive one. Let's see if we get some life out of it. One moment, please. I'll bring out the handy dandy chargerino, and let's see. It's your typical tube magnet, 2-prong style charger cable. All right. Okay, so this is, it's at 97%. Long press turns it on, apparently. Okay, maybe you've got a... Okay, so it uses the Very Fit app, which a lot of these use. And then you've got your code. Okay, so this is one of the ones that is really not going to do much for you until you app it up. But it seems like nice quality. This looks cool to you. Just maybe leave something in the comments or give it a like. Let me know that this is something you want more information on. And your wish will be my command in this instance, I think. All right.